This is our second really nice rain within about a month's time in Lancaster, California. And I personally love it. Thank God when it rains like this. Let's see if it picks up really fast like it did last time. It's one of these storms that comes and goes. It seems like really fast. Hopefully I get in on camera kind of like what I got it on last time. They're having these really powerful storms all of a sudden just come in. Seems like it's going to act like it. Let's see right now. Oh yeah, the wind is starting to kick up. And the storm's about to hit, I think. Yeah, it's definitely picking up. As you can see over there in the trees and stuff. Here we go. That was disappointing. Oh wow, look at my blinds. Yeah, I'm gonna close this one. So it doesn't blow in like that again. Well, I don't know. The wind's picked up quite a bit, but I don't think it's gonna last. Did want to catch a nice burst of rain like I caught last time, but I don't think I'm gonna catch it. Oh well. Thanks for watching.